In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix website with AI. Creating a website can often seem like a daunting task, but with Wix's AI-driven tools, the process becomes significantly more manageable, even for beginners. You'll be guided seamlessly from start to finish, resulting in a professional-looking website designed to meet your needs. First, head over to Wix.com. This step is straightforward. Open your preferred web browser and type in Wix.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the Wix homepage. It's worth noting that you'll need to sign up or log in if you haven't already. Setting up an account with your email or linking through Google or Facebook is simple and just requires a few minutes. After logging in, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll notice a tab labeled Site. Click on this tab. This is essentially the hub for managing and creating new sites on your Wix account. You'll find options to customize, design, and create a site that fits your vision perfectly. Once you've opened the site menu, you'll want to proceed to Create New Site. This option is prominently displayed and easy to find. By selecting this, you initiate the process of building your new website. It's an exciting step as you move closer to turning your conceptual ideas into a digital reality. Next, there's an option to Start Chat. Here's where the magic of AI begins. Click on Start Chat, which opens a conversation with Wix's AI assistant. This tool is designed to simplify the setup process by guiding you through specific questions that tailor your site to suit your personal or business objectives. The assistant will begin by asking, "What kind of website do you want to create?" This is your chance to specify the category or niche your new website will belong to. For instance, you could type photography portfolio or online store, depending on your goals. Your input here helps the AI understand what type of features and templates might best suit your needs. Next, you'll choose to start with AI. This option allows you to leverage Wix's intelligent design capabilities. By starting with AI, you entrust the system to make optimal design and feature recommendations that align with your site's objectives. As you progress, the AI will ask a series of questions such as, "What's your website for? What features do you want?" Possible options include a blog, store, bookings, and a contact form. Additionally, the AI inquires about your style preferences, whether you envision your site as modern, elegant, minimalist, or perhaps something bold. Answering these guides the AI to curate an aesthetic that complements your vision. Finally, click the Generate Site button. This command directs Wix's intelligent systems to assemble your website based on the information you've provided. Within moments, you'll have a functional and visually appealing website crafted to your specifications. The process is both swift and inventive, leaving you with a polished platform ready for customization or publication. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a stunning website on Wix with the help of AI. Remember, the beauty of using Wix is its flexibility. You can always tweak any design elements or functional components as your preferences or business needs evolve. Happy site building!